Okay, cold engine start. You can see gauge is very, very cold. So just give it a good pump, leave a little throttle, and hopefully she starts. And it's out of the water on the muffs, that's why it's really loud. But give her a few seconds to warm up. Voltage read there, and now you can tell the choke is turned off as she's idle and smooth. We'll idle her back. Not a whole lot to see, but and that's how it starts every single time. Back to neutral and happily idling. Any questions, let me know.